So ayan guys, magkakabit tayo ng stroker pin number 3, pin 3 pang Mio Sporty guys. Ito, pag ipinasok nyo to guys, pukpukin nyo lang ng konti para pumasok itong ring nya. Tapos lagyan nyo ng konting grasa para hindi mahulog yung stick bearing nya. Yan o, yung dalawa nakalagay na. So lalagay na natin yung iba. Ang problema, walang hawak ng cellphone. So ayan, it's bike yung brand guys ng connecting rod nya. Ito yung connecting rod nya guys, plus ang plus nito, plus 3.5. Ayan, plus 3.5. Iwan ko dun sa may-ari bakit ang haba ng connecting rod nya. Pinakabit nilang sa akin to eh. Ayan, ikakabit na natin yung mga stick bearing.
Ito pala yung ginamit nilang connecting pin sa Nobo 3.0. Yung ginamit nilang connecting pin sa Nobo 3.0.
So ayan yung crankshaft nya guys, nakabalance yan. Kakabit na natin yung stroker pin. So ayan guys, yung butas na yan, kailangan itatapat natin yan dito sa ibabaw. Yan sa ibabaw. Yan dyan kasi tumadalo yung langis eh, papunta dun sa connecting rod. And guys, make sure natin guys na naka-align yung pin bago natin ilagay, para maiwasan natin guys yung pagkasira ng crankshaft. Kumakayod kasi yan eh pag tabingi yung pagkakabit mo ng pin.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream.
guys, naikabit na natin yung isang side. So ayan, ikakabit na naman natin yung kabilang side. So ayan guys, tapos na. I-align na lang natin.
Give it to me like